Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. June the 3rd, 2009. Let that day go down as a big one, baby. Oh, yeah. Can you say top? Now, I thought we might have gone higher first. But if you listen to my YouTube, I pretty much was calling for a reversal. I just thought we'd get a little bit higher. But holy cow. That's it, baby. We were looking for some sort of a reversal sign, and we got it. Nice little wick here, double top. Not a tweezer top, but certainly close to it. Certainly other currencies look more toppish. But outside day, should the euro close below 141? Huge spot. 141, baby. Say hello to 140. Bang. Just like that. Now, again, I'm not calling for a collapse. I don't think we're going to collapse. I think we're set up for a nice pullback, and I think we go back up, baby. I see what's developing here is a nice head and shoulders. Maybe we pull back down to here, bounce up around, and then maybe we see a nice neckline developing right here. So I see an ABC. I see a 1, 2, 3 pattern. Down, maybe down to here over the next course of the next couple of days. Hey, the way the euro went today, it could be tomorrow. But certainly, listen, 138 would be 300 pips. We're down over 250. Cable's down big, so you never know. But I doubt it. I think we come back down maybe to 139.50. 140. Again, ECB coming out tonight. U.S. ADP was terrible. Jobless rate out of the Eurozone was disgusting as well. 9.2%. So, and London, unbelievable. Well, we'll get to that in a second. But the euro, again, I see a nice head and shoulders pattern developing here. Perfect. We might come here. We might bounce. Then we roll over, but we're going to get down to 138. Certainly 138 looks like it's in the cards. And for sure tonight, I would say 140. That's the first stop where I think we have a little support. But then we break through, and then there's nothing. 139 gives way, 138. Boom, boom, boom. Then we bounce, and then we roll over. So that's the way the euro's looking to me. Top out. Nice. We close below 141. Ooh, say goodnight. Dollar yen really held up very well. Dollar yen, that was a nice short up there. But, again, the carry trade getting annihilated today. We'll get to that in a second. But, again, when the carry trade gets hit and the dollar comes on, this is what we tend to see. Dollar yen goes nowhere. Dribbles lower. So dollar yen to me looking like tonight, any rally should be short. If the carry trade had reversed the way it looks like it has, dollar yen needs to do the same thing, go sideways, let the other ones go down. So we'll take a look at some of those in a second. But dollar yen, again, I don't see a breakout at all happening. If we do, sure, again, dollar yen could get all the way up to 98 on a dollar rally. Maybe dollar yen bounces up here on a dollar rally. If the carry trade's getting hit, though, dollar yen's not going up. So sterling, massive outside day. Took out the highs, baby. Again, another massive head and shoulders, I say. Look at this left shoulder. So we're probably going to come down to the breakout. 10 exponential easy, 80.50. 160.50, sorry. Maybe we bounce off there, roll back over. This becomes our neckline for the next leg down. But cable, certainly on a channel line basis, say a little 160. Easy. Faux cheesy. So today, great day today. Even though, again, carry trade we did very well on the long side, believe it or not. Bought the pullback last night in Asia. And the only thing I regret, obviously, is that things didn't go higher. I thought things might, look like they were going to go higher, but I was calling for a reversal today. And it was obvious in the morning that we reversed. So hopefully at 8 in the morning, like I said yesterday, right? The reversal was going to come 6, 7, 8. Well, it came at 5 o'clock in the morning right after the London explosion in PMI. Unbelievable that it couldn't even rally. 30 pips? I was surprised. I was very shocked. But that Aussie GDP, hopefully that got you going. The Aussie GDP really got last night going, like I said. Again, these are the kind of things you get with my premium service. Let's look at the Aussie dollar. Bang! Just like that. SOS, people. Sell the news. Oh, baby. Now, again, I see nice support here. This Aussie, I see nice support at 70. This in one day. So I think we can come in, even the dollar Canada. Look at this thing. I think we come in. But at the end of the day, I think we're going to have a nice little bounce. We're going to come in, and some of these things are going to have a little bit of a rally. We'll see. But again, certainly we're going to have follow through. How much follow through? Well, that's the $1,000,000 question now, isn't it? Are we going to just completely melt down? They're going to make it easy? I don't know. We could melt down. We come back. I think we definitely come in. The question is how much? Do we come in as much as today? I doubt it. I really doubt it. And I think if we do, we'll have some sort of a little bit of rally. Another 300 pips like this, in another day, just like that, down to 77? Well, it certainly could happen. I doubt it. I think more likely, maybe 78.50, another 100, 150 pips. 78 for sure. But I see head and shoulders building up all over the place. I love it. These are topping out formations, people. Stock market, everyone's bearish. How about Merkel? Chastising the Fed. People calling our Secretary of Treasury Little Timmy. I like that. Little Timmy. And again, I've said this before. I'll say it over and over again. What's going on with our Treasury Secretary is disgusting. This dollar policy, we are not backing a strong dollar. He does not come out and say it like our other Treasury Secretaries have. It's disgusting. Look at this dollar Canada. I'm the kind of person I like to call a spade a spade. And again, no offense meant to anyone, really. That's just an expression, basically saying, I'm a say it kind of guy. I say it the way I see it, and I think that people would appreciate that. Listen, it's not the worst thing in the world for the dollar to go down for us right now. But the problem is, foreign investors would not invest in this country if they knew that the U.S. had a dollar negative policy. And that's, the problem. What I say, I love the idea. Listen, I heard a report today. There's $1 trillion sitting in community banks earning crappy interest. Let them buy the treasuries. Give them tax-free interest. Let them buy treasuries. Let's take it away from China. Let's pay China back. I'd rather pay China back and pay the interest to average Americans. Anyway, dollar Canada, what a day. So much for breaking through 108. Hey, I was dead wrong. We didn't break through. We didn't break through. I was dead wrong. I'll say, when I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Dollar Canada didn't break through. Dollar Swiss didn't break through. We certainly have levels, though, that if they are breached, would certainly be more of a meltdown. And again, I don't see that this is necessarily over. It's not over, in my opinion. So we'll see if I'm right. Oh boy, looks like my internet just froze. Well, that's terrible. Well, I'm gonna have to do it from memory. Yeah, I'll do it from memory, no problem. Still got 2 minutes. But just back to the fact that the Chinese were laughing at him. The Chinese were laughing at the U.S. Treasury Secretary, and nobody even reported about it. Incredible, truly incredible. Dennis Gartman talking about that today, and the fact that the U.S. dollar rallied on this, well, it certainly makes sense given that we got an ECB tonight, people. Tonight, the ECB, they're not going to lower rates, but they're going to basically do more quantitative easing. I think this Merkel statement, though, was a shot across the bow to the ECB, not to the Fed. I think it was the Fed's influence on Trichet. And Merkel chastising Trichet for basically giving in and buying this crap that the Fed has on their balance sheet, because it is crap. And certainly the markets, I think, don't really like that there's dissension within the ranks. So I think that's one of the reasons why we had the sharp sell-off like we did. I think this Euro Canada had a ridiculous day. I love Euro Canada. If it's up another 100, 150 pips, look for a reversal there. As far as the carry trade's concerned, huge day. Euro yen down almost 250 pips from session highs. Sterling yen got as high as 160.50. Oh, baby. You got to love it. Big follow through there. I think sterling yen on any rally tonight. 157.50. Great entry spot. Going lower. We're definitely going to take out 155. 154.50 looks like a good spot where we're going to probably pull back to. Aussie yen, horrible day. Big reversal. Again, remember those head and shoulders from last night. Showed you those head and shoulders. I mean, not head and shoulders, the hanging men. And the doji on the euro yen. We saw these things. So hopefully you made out with the futures down. Andrew Spanton. Sorry about the no charts. It's a good YouTube, so I'm not going to give it up. Info at globalfxradio.com. globalfxradio.com. The only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money. Have a good night.